Hey Slack lover, welcome to Techie Guys channel. Today I will show you how to send GIF in Slack using fun and easy method. Let's add some life to our message. The easiest way to send GIF in Slack is by using Giphy app. Here's how to enable it. Open Slack and click on Home. You will see app down there. Click on Add app. In the search bar, type Giphy and click Add. Click Connect to Slack and authorize the app. Now in any chat, type /Giphy, happy or sad. Slack will show you random GIF related to your keyword. Just click Send to share it. If you have a custom GIF, you can upload it directly to Slack. Here's how. Open Slack and go to Channel or DMs. Click the plus or attach file button near the message box. Select a GIF file from your computer and click the Open. Add a caption, it's optional, and hit save. We have another simple way to paste a GIF link from a website like Giphy or Tenor. Go to giphy.com or tenor.com, find the GIF you like, and copy the GIF link. Paste it directly into a Slack chat, press enter, and Slack will display the GIF. And that's it. Now you know how to send GIF in Slack like a pro. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Slack hacks, and comment below what's your favorite GIF reaction. Thank you for watching.